still be here. Everybody can hear me, right? Yes. So,
Yes.
so today's topic is today's topic. Basically, this is supposed to be a workshop around creating editable web pages using Tabletop and Google Spreadsheets. So basically, we're looking at creating a web page whereby we can edit it, even when it's live, but it's sort of a CMS, like a WordPress, but using just flat files of like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, basically. So it's actually live, but it's pulling it's the content directly from Google Spreadsheets in this case using a tool called Tabletop.js. It's basically a library. So what it does is provide data from a Google spreadsheet and present it as JSON. So basically, imagine Google spreadsheets that are backend and we're using tabletop to provide some sort of API. Basically, they would do it like on a traditional web application. So okay, so I have a demo of like the full site. I would provide that at the end, but yeah, I guess I just go through it from the beginning. So the first thing that's supposed to do is to actually open a new spreadsheet. Yeah, so let me just do that here. Yeah. Just to make right. Mm, I've opened this before. But yeah, right here. Sorry, I also open an existing document before. Um, mm, mm, mm. Sorry. So let's be like a new here. Sorry. Hold on. Confused. Yeah. Yeah, so let's just call this editing, I guess. Yeah, so just name the app edits me. So so the way we input our values in a way whereby I'm going to input it like there's the first one, then there's the second column. So the first one will be a reference. So let's say this is let's say header one of some sort. And second one is header two. So basically our content will be right under header one. I don't know if you get, but like we have like the reference and yeah, the actual content. So let's just say header two. And so basically this is the app here. So there are supposed to be like two, I don't know if you can see it here, but like there's two empty elements, like H1 and P, whereby we have, which are supposed to be right under here. So basically there are two elements that are empty here, so they have the ID of header one and header two. So yeah, let's just say, let's just give one, please edit me. And we give the other let's say a dynamic site. I don't know. Yeah, so immediately that's done, we have to publish it to the web. So basically the web, publishing to the web makes it available to be used, to be pulled from anywhere. So like it's actually available on the web. So come here, yeah, publish to the web. Yeah, publish. But yeah, we get a link, but this link is basically not technically useless to us basically right now. So we just basically close it. So yeah, we're published the web already. So then we ask ourselves if we want to share this document to anybody as we would. Then we okay. And anyone with the link can view. We can make it can edit, but it's not right for it to be edited. So anybody can edit what's on your website if we make it that way. So yeah, so anybody on the internet with the link can view the site, right? So yeah, let's just copy. Okay, so yeah, so we need to like initialize tabletop on our site. So we have to. So basically, I'm copying from the tabletop library. Let me just let me just open it here. Although I have it on my other screen here. So basically, we'll copy the CDN to add it to our web project. This one should show us here. So so yeah, we can use it on Node too. Maybe we're using a framework or something. But like we can use it this way also, right here as a adjust the CDN like we would on a plain JavaScript site. So first let's add the CDN. Oh, I did it here already. So well, let's just do it again. So yeah, then we go into like our index, our JS file on our site, and we basically just copy this. What we have here, and we put it right here. Yeah, but remember that we're supposed to use. So yes, it comes with some sort of key. So what happened now? What's happening right now is our share link is acting as a sort of key to the database on Google Spreadsheets. So yeah, let's just change this to let. I don't know. Let's just like say var there. And so this is a generic check. Let's just copy the again because I've actually evaluated it. Yeah. So yeah, there we have it. We have so basically when the site is loaded through like this event we start like when the DOM loaded, it loads this function in it automatically, and what we have now is also the log data. So if we check the site right now, we check our console. Yeah, exactly. So it's working. Successfully processed. So we're sure the function is running right now. So what we do is remember on here we talked about the reference and the content and reference and the content. So we just do we come here, let's just remove this onto the log and the whole alert function and tells us that works. And we basically just use in the HTML of the elements. So like okay, there's header and there's header 2. So we just say header 2 or let's do header, I think header the first one. In but HTML, what am I doing? Sorry, in HTML equals to data dot 1. Yeah, and so it's just these two. So basically, if your elements are a lot, you might want to I don't know, abstract this part. So you don't get like the that one that all like several elements. So yeah, let's see if this works. Hopefully it does. How are we having undefined? Mm. Or did I make? Okay, sorry. We're supposed to look through this. I forgot. My bad. So like data dot for h or yeah, yes it's for h. It's for h. Like arrow functions. Sorry, I'm using live server, so that's why you're looking on the other side immediately. I guess this is supposed to be here. Okay, let's do this. Because yeah. So basically it's displaying here. Like please edit me, I'm a dynamic site. So it's a but using this on the live site, well, it's it will take a second for it to pull the data. So I don't know how it works on the live site. But I did one earlier this year where I used a static site generator, 11C and the single bullshit. So basically what happened was it actually gets to load completely before it shows on the page at all. So what happens is what just displays directly a static site. Because if you look through our sources, you see able to see our shared sharing link. Yeah, so although we said this is just view, so be anybody with the link can still open it, but I don't know. It's still kind of I don't know how safe that would be. But basically using the 11th, you just set out a static site so you don't get all of this, just pure HTML what you get, like HTML and CSS is what gets to be displayed.
David.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think your screen is a bit zoomed in, I guess. Maybe you should try present up and start.
We
I can
I
only
should zoom in
see
again.
more like I can only see the top left part of your screen. Maybe you can stop presenting and then start presenting again. I don't know why it's like that.
Okay,
Let me
what of
see.
now? Or let me just zoom
Yeah,
in.
it's still the same thing. Like I can only see the top. It's only at the like top left part of your screen. Like it's very zoomed in.
Okay, sorry. Okay. Uh,
It's just me.
okay, so,
I think someone says it's fine on their
or
screen. Okay, I think you can continue then. Yeah,
okay. Or maybe I should increase the font or something.
I think it's just fine.
Yeah, okay. So, I think because the screen is wide, that's why it's looking like that. But basically, that's how it works. I don't know if I explained it properly, but I have like a demo site that actually has like the entire, like this entire thing. Like it just, I just picked the top right here. Comment. Let me look for it. So basically, um, this is an entire site that was hosted with with that was we used Tabletop and Google Spreadsheets that I talked about.
David.
So yeah,
Yeah, someone is asking if you can divide the screen as you had before.
okay, okay, sir. I just wanted to just show the site. That's why
Okay.
yeah. So basically, this is like a full demo site that I built with it. I actually wrote an article about it on um, CSS strings. I should drop that in the chat box. Yeah, I think we have something like that here. So I just drop that there, and the code on GitHub. Yeah, so that's the website with code on GitHub. I would look for that now. It's actually an old article. But that's I just dropped the entire article, so everything is inside.
Okay, that's the link to the code, right? Or to the page itself.
No, yeah, that link to the page itself. So I'll just send a
Alright.
link to both the article and the GitHub link. I don't know if I was too fast. Is there any to like questions or I don't know.
I don't think there are any questions at the moment.
Yeah, and even when the site is online, you can actually get just edit it still. If you go back here, you reload. There it goes. Edited. Even the live site here can actually be edited from from the Google Sheet that is attached to this. So yeah, that's it. But yeah, I think using the site generator unit in real life would be way better. So you get like use the site generator, then when anything changes on the Google spreadsheet, you have to use Zapier. Zapier is an automation tool whereby once you just attach it, you add it to it. I don't know if I can start doing that here, but it's pretty straightforward. It's not even techie or a command line or anything. Yeah, just using their site. You just connect both your spreadsheet to your Netlify site. That's how I did it. So basically, once something changes on the spreadsheet, um, it just triggers Netlify to deploy the site again, and yeah, it automatically gets updated on the live
Yeah,
site.
right.
So yeah, I
Question.
think the
Yeah.
question here. Yeah, so basically, what happened was I already had the CSS here. I Okay, so the reason why it's so long, basically, is just because I copied from this actual live site. Like, no, I didn't do all of this, so I just copied the entire CSS and just used it here. So I couldn't start looking for the CSS for this or that. Well, yeah, I already had like a boilerplate code I had here. It's really nothing, just icon. Here is the link to like the style sheet that is here. The style.css and okay, there's a Google fonts family link here. Okay, that's because for this link, yeah, this whole please edit me. Now this font looks it's a custom font. So yeah, Google API for the fonts and yeah, there's the head, body, and well, Yeah, and just the entire page with the buttons and two empty elements, H1 and P, that contains create edit me and dynamic site right now. Let me come here now. See, you have create edit me and dynamic site right in your console. Yeah, so that's how it's styled. And then images here, just in case you're wondering. So yeah, the logo. Here's the tutor. So yeah, should commit this to, I don't know.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Yes, now have main instead of master on. Yeah, I actually learned commit your code because I learned that the hard way. Hmm. Okay. I thought I created it on GitHub already. And I created it with GitHub desktop. So but yeah, basically that's the project in itself, and you can go on to read it on CSS tricks, and yeah, basically that's it.
Okay, cool. Um, I don't know if there's any other question. So basically, one can just use this to spin up simple websites without having to rely on a database or do all of those static sites stuff.
Yeah, it helps. Really when like what I used to start the article, like when you have like never ending content revision from the client, then you don't create a landing page or something and say, okay, I need to add this to the content, or there's no full stop here, or some funny um, revision that is almost none of your business because you really have to do the content since they already sent the content. But some client like that could just be really funny. So yeah, it works. As I said, in my lifestyle, I prefer that you use a site generator than this, but you can also use this. Not like any random person just go and start checking your console or anything. Plus, you already made it for view only, so basically anybody can just view it. They can't really edit it. So, and
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
Google, so I guess you're safe.
yeah. And most of the data there actually is supposed to be made public, so it's not
Yeah,
like you
exactly.
put private data there.
Yeah, the entire data on the site is was on Google Sheet, so there's nothing secret that's hidden there.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, but you can actually use static site generator because you don't want it to have this little check whereby it just shows nothing, then it shows it. But yeah, I can still work without like static site. It just gets to show everything at once. So I don't know if you feel that way, you can still have it like that.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, plus you can also use tabletop as like within Node. Yes, I installed it and all of that
All
as
right.
you want to.
All right. I guess that should do it. Yep.
Yeah.
That was kind of
We did
fast.
we even use
I learned
45
stuff.
minutes,
Hey, this is just about 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. It's because I had boilerplate actually. So I didn't really start from scratch writing. I just felt not be necessary. I don't know.
Yeah, I think the main points is where you link up both. So it's not like it's supposed to be about how to write CSS,
Yes, yes,
although that could
yeah.
have helped a little bit to see the process. But I think the main point was getting tabletop to do the actual work. I think that just made it
Yeah.
fine. Yeah.
Yeah, basically that's it.
Yep,
So you
yep.
could try it out, and really nice actually. Plus, if you're getting started, it can help you with, I don't know, data manipulation and, you know, little practice for follow. Plus, you can actually, for each rather, plus you can actually see your work on a website. So I guess that works. So
Okay. Thank you very much for your time. Yeah, I'm
yeah,
stopping the recording now. Yeah.
okay.